You've seen the reviews, you've seen the hype. The Oster Fast Feed is one of the most recommended clippers out there, a barber shop staple, and I'm here to tell you maybe don't buy it. For the best price, click the link in the description. Welcome to the most honest review you'll find. We'll cover the legendary power, the smooth operation, and why for a home user it might be all wrong. But here's what surprised me. The biggest problem isn't the tool itself. It's who's holding it. Therefore, before you spend $84, you need to see this. This isn't just a review, it's an intervention. Let's start Act 1. The good, the powerful, the undeniable. This clipper is built like a tank. It feels substantial in your hand, not like a cheap toy. The motor is a rotary type, and Oster isn't lying. It is powerful and whisper quiet. Compared to the angry bee buzz of magnetic clippers, this is a luxury sedan gliding down the highway. /N/N you can have a full conversation while using it, which is great. Unless you're talking to yourself, then it's just quiet or loneliness. That's joke one, we're getting started. The lever system for adjusting the cutting length is smooth and clicks firmly into place. It feels professional. Changing the blade. A complete breeze, pop off, pop on. So far this sounds like a 5-star rave. But therefore, why the cautionary title? Why the don't buy? Here's the pivot, the first major however. The power and weight are a double-edged sword. This isn't a detail trimmer. This is a bulk removal beast. For a professional barber doing fades and bulk work all day, that weight and power provide control and reduce fatigue. For you, at home, trying to edge up your neckline, it's like using a sledgehammer to hang a picture. The sheer heft can make precise lines feel clumsy, which leads to problem one, the included blade. It's a one adjustable. That means even at its shortest setting, it's leaving a fair bit of hair. Want a skin-tight zero-gap fade? You can't get there with just this clipper. You'll need additional blades or a separate trimmer. Open loop. And that's just the start of the extra costs. We'll get to the true price in a minute. First, let's talk noise again. Yes, it's quiet for its power, but a quiet rotary motor still has a distinct sound and sensation. It's a deep, spinning hum you can feel in your bones. Some people love that feedback. Others find it unsettling, like holding a tiny, determined earthquake. It doesn't scream quality, it purrs industrial. And that brings us to maintenance. Maintenance. The thing most home users want to do exactly never. /N/N Oster clippers are workhorses, but they demand oil. Frequently. Like every time you use it. The blade needs a few drops of clipper oil to stay cool and sharp. Forget, and performance suffers fast. It's a high-performance engine that requires premium fuel. My electric toothbrush doesn't need this much attention, and it's in my mouth. That's joke 2, keep up. Therefore, we arrive at the core thesis. The Oster Fast Feed is a professional tool sold in a consumer marketplace. On Amazon, with its 4.5-star rating averaging pro and home user experiences, it gets mythologized. People see Barber grade and think best for me. But that's like buying a commercial espresso machine for your morning cup. Overkill, complicated, and frustrating if you don't want a new hobby. Which leads to the top negative reviews. What do they all say? Let's dive into the common complaints the 5-star reviews gloss over. Act 2. The deep dive into the problems. First, heat. The blade and clipper body can get quite warm during extended use. For a pro doing a 30-minute cut, no big deal. For you doing a quick trim may be surprising. Second, the cord. It's a good, thick cord. But in 2024, the lack of a cordless option feels archaic for home use. You are tethered to the wall. Wrestling with a cord behind your ears while trying to not butcher your hairline is a special kind of stress. It's a dance, and you have a partner that just stands there. /N/N third and most critical, the learning curve. This clipper doesn't forgive. Its powerful motor will grab and pull if you go against the grain or use it at the wrong angle. A misstep isn't a oops, it's a hello bald patch. Precision requires a steady hand and practice. Are you willing to practice on your own head? Let's rehook. What if the problem isn't the tool but the expectation? You expected plug-and-play perfection. Oster delivers plug, oil, practice, and pray. Now the adjustable lever. While smooth, its range is limited by that one blade. The cut lengths go from about 1.5 to 4.5. Need longer. You're buying a separate blade. Want to go shorter for detailing. Separate blade or tool. Suddenly, that $84 clipper is just your entry fee. The true cost of a full Oster system is well over $150. Is that still a deal compared to cheap clippers that break in a year? For a dedicated enthusiast, yes. For the average person, big question. And here's a sneaky problem: vibration. Even though it's quiet, the rotary motor and heavy mechanism create a steady vibration. After 10 minutes, your hand might feel a little tingly. It's not a deal breaker for a weekly trim, but it's a sensation cheap clippers don't have. It reminds you you're operating machinery, which is cool until it's not. It's the difference between driving a rugged truck and a smooth sedan. Both get you there, but one demands you feel every pebble on the road. And speaking of roads, let's talk Value Street. At $83.99, it sits in a no-man's land. It's more expensive than every budget clipper from Conair or Wahl, but cheaper than high-end cordless pro models. Its value is entirely dependent on your use case. This is the clipper equivalent of a midlife crisis. Not a cheap beater, not a true luxury machine. It's just capable with baggage. That's joke 3. You're welcome. Therefore, who is this actually for? I'll tell you. It's for the person who cuts hair at home regularly, for family or roommates. It's for the aspiring barber practicing. It's for someone who values long-term durability over convenience and is willing to perform basic maintenance. It is not for the person who wants a quick, easy, cordless trim every 2 weeks with zero thought. That person will hate this clipper. They'll call it heavy, loud, hot, and fussy. And from their perspective, they're right. Act 3. The resolution should you buy it. Let's break it down with final clarity. Pros: immense durability, powerful yet quiet motor, smooth adjustment, easy blade changes, and legendary professional reputation. It will last for years, maybe decades, with proper care. Cons: heavy, corded, requires frequent oiling, has a steep learning curve for precision, can get warm, often requires additional blades for versatility, and its vibration isn't for everyone. /N the verdict. If you are a hobbyist, a student, or someone cutting multiple heads regularly, the Oster Fast Feed is a stellar investment. It's a workhorse that earns its keep. But if you are a solo home user wanting simple, convenient, foolproof grooming, this is the wrong tool. You'd be better served by a good quality, cordless, all-in-one trimmer clipper from a consumer brand. Buying the Fast Feed for light personal use is like buying a forklift to move your sofa. Impressive power, utterly impractical application. My final, honest take: the Oster Fast Feed is an excellent clipper, but it's not an excellent clipper for everyone. The "don't buy" in the title is for that second group. The hype blinded them to the reality of owning a pro tool. So, are you a pro, or are you pretending? Be honest with yourself. It will save you $84 and a bad haircut. And if, after all this, you've decided you're in the first group, the dedicated, the meticulous, the aspiring pro, then you've found your champion. Just remember the oil. Always the oil. Forget the oil and it becomes a very quiet, very expensive paperweight. That's joke 4. We're done here. For those ready to take on the challenge and own a piece of barbering history, for the best price on Amazon for the Oster Fast Feed, click the link in the description below. That link supports this channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you for watching this honest review. Make the right choice for you, not for the hype. See you in the next one.